Microneedling Aftercare. This is the morning after. I did a deep microneedling treatment last night. I used a 12-pin cartridge. I went pretty deep everywhere, but I said this last time, skin memory is such a good thing. Like, the more you do things, the more your skin gets acclimated to it. Plus the slip agents that I used the Hand Heal hyaluronic acid that has a ton of peptides in it, growth factors in it. And then I used the Hand Heal exosome rejuvenation. And so that helps with healing. I showered, but I did not wash my face. I just let the water run over it. And I'm going to use the rest of my slip agent. I just put it in the fridge with some press and seal over it last night. This is only good for 24 to 48 hours. So you want to make sure you use it within that time frame. I'm just going to put this everywhere, and it feels so good because it's so cold. In the last 2 days, I've microneedled my face, neck, chest, stomach, arms, knees, hands, and my thighs. I noticed my neck was a little tender in the shower. Then I'm going to go in with my DM Cell EGF 3% growth factors. I use all of my really good serums while the channels are open so that my skin can absorb all of this. You just want to stay away from actives, like no vitamin C's, nothing with AHAs, BHAs, no peels of any kind. If it says exfoliating, stay away from it. I'm going to use the Stave Peptide Gold ampule. The DM Cell EGF is from Ace Cosm. You can use my affiliate code 40-something for 10% off. They do not carry the Stave Peptide Gold anymore, but you can get it from Get Glowing Skincare, and affiliate 40-something works there too. And this, once it's opened, is only good for 7 days. I opened it last night. It does feel a little bit like a sunburn. I'm also going to use the Dr. Drawing Revital Cream. This is on Get Glowing Skincare as well. Just a little bit of it. It just feels really good on your skin. I don't love a lot of it because it is kind of greasy. I will use the Dr. Drawing Revital Cream a few times today. Let's see how sticky it is. Could definitely need some time to soak in. I won't wear any makeup today. I won't do tinted sunscreen today. I will just do regular unscented sunscreen. Once all of this dries down, I'll put on the Anua Zero Cast Moisturizing Sunscreen 50, SPF 50 Broad Spectrum. Sunscreen is the most important thing today. I've got to do stuff today, so I will be out in public. Thankfully, it's not too terrible. Because when I first started doing this, I needed a couple of days of downtime because my face was super swollen. It was really red, but I mean, this is fine. Aftercare, the first 24 to 48 hours is very important. You just want to stay away from anything that's going to aggravate your skin. We're in the healing process. Have you tried microneedling? Clearly, it is one of my favorite things to build collagen, tighten skin, all the things. I love it. Ask me all your questions. I'm happy to help.